you guys, and welcome back to another video. I am always excited to be here and make these videos for you guys because you guys are loving them, you guys are liking them, you guys are enjoying them, and that makes me so excited. So that makes me want to do more for you guys and keep bringing them more and more and more and more for you guys. By the title of this video, you guys know what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm standing here because I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator, and here it is. All right, you guys, so this is my fancy refrigerator. Just kidding, it's not that great, but you know, it came with the house and I'm blessed with it, but it's nothing fancy inside. So let's open it up and I'm gonna show you guys the hot mess. Oh my goodness, look at all that stuff. Like, everything is literally crowded everywhere and it is just looking unbelievable. It is not satisfying at all, and I just cannot wait to get my hands in this refrigerator and clean this up, you guys. This needs help. This is probably the most embarrassing thing ever in my life, you guys, but when I opened my refrigerator, it was super dirty, and you know what? Nobody's perfect, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. It was just so dirty and filthy, and I was like, what the heck, you guys? But yeah, this is real. This is my refrigerator, and it was so freaking gross. So right here, you guys, all I'm using to clean inside my refrigerator is vinegar and water mixed together, and I'm just using a rag and wiping it all. And I love this solution just because it keeps my stuff super clean and shiny. I highly recommend this solution, you guys. I love it. doing right here, you guys, is just simply throwing the stuff away that I'm no longer using. But for the most part, I didn't really throw anything away, just because I really like to keep up with my food that is expired and just throw it away right away. And yeah, you guys, that's all I'm doing right now. And yeah, so this part wasn't too bad as I thought. Here I'm just putting the stuff away, and it was such a satisfaction thing for me because everything was cleaned, and just putting the stuff back where they belong and organizing it how I wanted to. It was absolutely satisfying for me. Here is the final look of my refrigerator. Check it out, you guys. It looks less messy, and I love how I organized it all together and put everything back together how it belongs. And I liked it, you guys, even though it's not that fancy, but this is what worked best for me, and I loved it, you guys. I think I did an amazing job. Alright, you guys, I am sweating. Believe me or not, cleaning your fridge is no joke. I was rushing because I see that my camera is running out of battery, and I was like, I have to hurry, take everything out and check everything for expiration dates, throw stuff away that I didn't even use or they're expired. and I am sweaty. I'm like hot. I cannot wait to change these clothing. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys like this video. It was not that fancy or anything. I don't have any of the organization that you guys actually see in other videos, but it was just the way that I clean it for right now, and I hope later on I can show you guys an update. All right, you guys, I really have to go. It's blinking. I hope you guys like this video, and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.